In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipment tracking to WooCommerce orders and make sure your customers receive the correct tracking information. We'll go through the full setup process from installing the plugin all the way to verifying that the tracking link works properly. This is a very useful workflow if you want to keep customers informed after purchase and reduce support questions about delivery status. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins area, then select Add New. From there, install the Shipment Tracking plugin shown in the tutorial. Make sure you're choosing the correct plugin so the settings and options match what you expect to see later in WooCommerce. Once the plugin has finished installing, activate it. Activation is what makes the tracking features available inside your WooCommerce store. If you skip this part, you won't see the tracking options when editing orders. After activation, open the plugin's WooCommerce tracking settings. This is where you define how shipment tracking will work across your store. Take a moment to review the available options so you understand how the plugin handles carriers and customer notifications. Next, configure the shipping carriers you use. This step is important because it allows you to select the correct delivery service when fulfilling orders. Choose only the carriers relevant to your business so the order screen stays organized and easy to use. Now open a customer order inside WooCommerce. You'll want to work with an order that is ready to ship so you can add real tracking details. In the shipment tracking section, enter the carrier and the tracking number exactly as provided by the shipping service. Accuracy matters here because even a small typo can lead customers to an invalid or broken tracking page. Once those details are entered, save the shipment information. This stores the tracking data with the order and makes it available for customer communication. If your plugin supports order notes or email notifications, this saved information is usually what gets passed along. When appropriate, mark the order as shipped or completed. Use the status that fits your workflow best. Updating the order status helps keep your store organized and can also trigger customer emails, depending on your WooCommerce settings. After that, confirm that customers receive the tracking details. Check the order communication carefully so you can verify that the tracking information appears as expected and is presented clearly. Finally, open the tracking link yourself and make sure it leads to the correct carrier page. This final check helps you catch issues before a customer reports them. If everything opens correctly and the tracking number is attached to the right carrier, then your shipment tracking setup is working properly.